Just 2 days before the Round Rock ISD students head back to class after the winter break, the school board is taking a closer look at the district's leader. In a closed-door meeting this afternoon, the Board of Trustees discussed a recommendation to place the superintendent on leave and launch an investigation into his conduct. KXAN's Avery Travis has more on who made the recommendation and why.
The board met for several hours this afternoon to discuss this recommendation from a representative of the Texas Education Agency. He's been monitoring the board for about a month. In mid-December, that monitor said the board should place Superintendent Dr. Hafed Azaiz on paid administrative leave, while a third party investigates some claims about his conduct. The TEA, as an agency, has an ongoing investigation of their own into Azaiz. But in this memo, the monitor recommends another external investigator look into allegations made against him in a protective order granted by a Travis County court. KXAN obtained copies of a previous order that does contain some allegations of threatening behavior and an assault, as well as a recent civil permanent restraining order we found granted against Azaiz by a judge. Now, we did not find any criminal charges filed against him. The board didn't take any action tonight, but did schedule a meeting on Thursday to discuss the issue further and the possibility of starting to search for a temporary acting superintendent. Azaiz began his role at the district in July of 2021. His hiring, though, was met with some hostility from parents who were asking the board for more public forums and more transparency before making a final decision. An attorney for Dr. Azaiz told KXAN tonight they do believe the memo from TEA contains dated and inaccurate information. That attorney said she was concerned also about some statements made by some board members, calling them false allegations that improperly discuss private and confidential personnel matters and disseminate what she has already demonstrated are objectively false statements in the TEA's memo. That attorney went on to say the matter discussed in those orders has been amicably resolved with a restraining order and a confidential settlement agreement. She also said there was no need for the board to meet to continue to discuss his position. A spokesperson for the district said it would not be releasing a statement tonight. We'll continue to follow this throughout the week as it develops. Live in the newsroom, Avery Travis, KXAN News.